Assalamu alaikum friend. Today we are here to discuss how we can configure VLAN and then how we can configure also enter VLAN routing. So in this scenario we have three VLAN, VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30, and I have also just mentioned the IP address, and I didn't assign the IP address to the computers, but I just mentioned here in this topology we will going to assign the IP address 192.168.10.10 to VLAN 10 and one second VLAN 20 192.168.20.10 and likewise VLAN 30.10. So first of all we are here to configure the VLAN, and then we are going to just do some configuration of inter VLAN routing. So let me just type no, and let me just increase the size. So now I'm going to configure the VLAN. First of all we have to configure three VLAN and we can configure VLAN on global configuration mode. So first of all I'm going to just type VLAN, and then I'm going to type the number of VLAN, which is 10, and I can name it if I want. So I name it cells, and then I'm going to exit the next I'm going to configure VLAN 20 VLAN, and then number is VLAN 20, and it will be name marketing. You can name whatever you want, whatever your requirement. Now I'm going to configure VLAN 30, and I can name it accounting. I'm going to exit it. So I have just configured three VLAN. Let me show you how we can verify VLAN. I have to type VLAN and just the show command, and I'm going to show it from here VLAN. I'm going to type show and then type VLAN. So I have configured the VLAN 10 cells, VLAN 20 marketing and VLAN 30 accounting, and there is no port that I have assigned yet to these VLAN. Now I'm going to assign port to these VLAN. So first of all I'm going to check this is VLAN 20, and the VLAN 20 port number is FS0/1 and FS0/2 is 20 and FS0/3 is 30. Okay, so I have to configure and I have to assign the interfaces to the VLAN. So how I'm going to do it, let me just type global configuration mode, and then I'm going to type the interface, and then the interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and here switch port mode. First of all we have decided the mode, so it will be access. Okay, after the switch port access VLAN, what VLAN we are going to assign? We are going to assign VLAN 10 to interface FS0/1, and then we are going to exit. Now same we are going to do with VLAN interface FS0/2, and switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 20, and then exit. I'm going to do it a little bit in a faster mode. If you can watch it in a little bit slow mode, you can watch it. So and then I'm going to type the interface fast Ethernet 0/3 and switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, so now let me show you. First of all I have just show you the VLAN. Let me show you here. We does not assign any port to these VLAN. Now let me show you show VLAN. So now FS0/1 is in the VLAN 10, FS0/2 in the VLAN 20, and FS0/3 port is in the VLAN 30, which is accounting. Now I have just configured these VLAN. These VLAN can communicate with each other, but not with different VLAN. For example, if I have another computer with VLAN 10, so these two computers will be going to communicate with each other, but not so first of all let me assign the IP address to each computer. So the IP address for this computer is 10.10. Let me copy this IP, and yes, and again let me assign the IP address to this computer 20.10 20, and to this computer it will be 30.30, sorry, yeah, 30.10. Okay, now if I want to ping 20.10, so I think it will be not going to ping 192.168.20.10. so the ping will be not successfully because we does not configure inter-VLAN routing yet. So we will going to configure the inter-VLAN routing, and then we will going to ping this that it will work or not. So let's start. So I have to type configuration terminal, and then I interface VLAN 10, and the IP address for the interface VLAN 10 is 192.168.10.1. okay, and that will be the gateway for the VLAN 10, and I have to configure the VLAN interface VLAN 20 IP address. It will be 192.168.20.1, and it will be gateway for the VLAN 20. And again interface VLAN 30 IP address 192.168.30.1, and subnet mask will be and exit. Okay, so now I have to assign the gateways to each interface VLAN, and then we will going to ping that it will work or not. So let me just assign the gateway to this interface. It will be 10.1. okay, and to this interface the gateway will be 20.1. and to VLAN 30 it will be the gateway 30.1. Now we have just complete the configuration, and now let's me just ping it again, and it will start working. But here we have to do another step which is very important, and a lot of students miss this point. So we need to also just let me do the command IP space ROUTING IP routing. So we need to do the IP routing command. Now it will work. Let me show you how it will going to do work. Yeah, it's working. You can check each and everything. Okay, so I can give you the complete configuration and topology on the video description, so you can download this topology and this configuration. If you need any help, so you can just give me a comment. I will try to give you a response.